At Backacia, we built a B2B marketplace for reused building materials.
So let's get practical and explain what it means. If I'm constructing a building, does it mean I can resell some stuff?
Exactly. So basically today in the construction industry, they produce a lot of waste. Actually, it's the biggest producer of waste in France in terms of tons. And so today they have no solutions. So when you build or when you have to demolish something, you just put it in one big dumpster and then it goes somewhere in a landfill, for example. And what we do is that we say to a company, you can sell on our marketplace, and then people can also buy on the marketplace to use salvage materials in buildings.
Essentially, it's a bit like eBay before construction stuff, right?
Exactly, except you can't bid on it.
Yeah. And can you describe the type of clients that sell stuff and that buy stuff? Is it the same type of companies?
Today, people will sell on the marketplace. There are big companies, such as Chanel, for example, or also construction companies, Bouygues, Vinci, etc. But they won't buy stuff because they are too afraid today to buy second-hand materials. So they will just sell it to earn money and also to save on the cost of the waste management they have usually. On the other side, people will buy. There are mostly small companies trying to save money by buying cheaper materials, but at the same quality.
As a marketplace, always there's a big challenge when it comes to matching offer with demand. Are you struggling on one side of the marketplace right now, or is it more or less even?
So it's a very good question because actually it took a lot of time to have demands and to have also ads and many materials, because what I didn't say is that if we don't sell it, they go to the dumpster. So it means it's like yogurt, they have a finished date where they have to be sold. And so this is not complicated to have a lot of sellers because they are really interested, they save money, they earn money, and they have a solution that is green and sustainable. But on the other side, we need to find all the small companies to buy the stuff, and this is more complicated because they are everywhere in France and they are not very digital, so sometimes
it's very fragmented as well.
Very.
Excellent. And when it comes to revenue, how does it work? Do you take a cut on transactions?
We take 40% cut. So for a marketplace, it's a lot, but it's also because we have a lot of service behind that, and we help our customers to save money and to earn money.
How much does it cost to buy directly from Backacia compared to new items? Is it still cheaper with the 40% cut?
It's almost 50% cheaper. It depends, and sometimes it's even cheaper. It's like 90%, something like that.
Wow, 90%.
Yes.
Wow, that's impressive. And when it comes to revenue, how do you say you're performing right now? Are you on track to profitability?
It took time, yeah, but for the marketplace it took time. But the thing is that we also have a consulting part, because our big clients that want to sell, they don't know how to do it. So we had to help them to introduce circular economy on construction projects. So this helped us to have a lot of clients. So the company is profitable today thanks to the consulting missions. And on the marketplace, it took a long time, but today we are having a more and more success, so it's great.
Cool. Tell me a bit about the future. What's the plan for the next 12 months when it comes to product and the company trajectory?
For the next year, we have a lot of things to do. Basically, today we're mostly in Paris region. We have a few sites in France, but we are trying to expand and to show that digital can help in other cities. So that's one of the master plan to do. The second one is to continue to grow the marketplace, but also to add new systems to calculate all the CO2 we help to save.
And do you think there is some future outside of France as well for Backacia?
Yes, of course.